Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about MiniMax Design. And the last time I created this video was 2 to 3 months back, and now they have updated the MiniMax Design, and the agent is working really good. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually use it. So in order to use it, you need to download the Mac or Windows app. So just go to design.minimax.io, and right now you get around 3 H3 generations free, plus you also get 3000 credits for free. So you can just register your account, try it out, and if you like it, you can purchase it as well. So it's like an agent but made for creative designing and AI artists. So let me just show you guys. Let's just close this here. And right now you can see generate for free, new users get 3000 bonus. So just log in with your account, download for Mac if you are on Mac OS, and if you are on Windows, just download it for Windows. I am right now using Windows here, so I'm going to use Windows here. Let's just click on accept, and now you can see once you install it, you will find something like this, the interface. Again, you just need to click here and log in with your account. I have already logged in with my account here. You can see the theme as well, so you can change if you are a light person. If you like a dark theme, you can do that as well. Now this is a really good agent. You get some templates as well to get started, or you can start from scratch as well. I'm going to show you both the methods so you can decide whichever you want to get started with. Here you can see we have the start creating project, and here you also get a H3 playground, and as soon as you click on that, you can see here, I will restart later. You can see here you get this MiniMax H3 playground, and you can see you can create lots of things like effects, brand, product advertisements, and all that stuff. Now you can also go to your asset center here, and you can find the assets that you have saved, the projects that you have saved. You can go for project gallery as well. So you can see you have the project onboarding guide here, and this is what the project onboarding guide looks like. So you can create your first project and all that stuff, but we are going to start from scratch here. So let's just click on start creating. And now, as I told you, you can start from the template as well. So you get lots of templates to get started. So let's say you want to work for brand advertising. In today's video, we are going to do that only. In future videos, I am going to show you influencer marketing, cinematic intros, and all that stuff. So let's just go to brand advertising. And here you can see there are lots of brand advertising things that you can create. So if I just hover over this, you can see. So this is for a console. Again, if I scroll downwards, you can see this is for earbuds. Okay, so this is looking really good. Then you can see for controllers as well. If I scroll downwards, there are lots of stuff. So you can find according to your product. And let's say if you don't have it, you can start from scratch as well. So let me just first show you how you can actually do it. So you can just click on use prompt, and you can see here this we are getting make a short advertising for an esports mouse within 15 seconds. So you can see this. Now how you can do it, it's really easy. You just need to copy and paste the style that you like. So let's say I want to create something like this. So let's just first watch this out, how it looks. Okay, you can see this is looking nice, but I want to go for something else. Okay, this is also nice, and let's just look for something else as well. You can see this is of the car advertisement. So you can do this as well, but I am going to do for phone, and for phone I cannot see it here. So what I can do, I can just type it here from scratch. So let's just upload our reference image, and you can just upload your reference image as well of the phone. I am going to use my Pixel phone here. So it's nothing, but if you see here, it's just a phone with a front, a back, a side, and a what we say perspective view. So actually we can see how the phone looks. And here I'm going to type here as well, create a 15 seconds advertisement for the Google Pixel 11 Pro phone that I have uploaded the reference image of phone and just type @ and you will get the pixel png. Let's start with some ideas first. I want it to feel like a premium Apple iPhone kind of advertisement. I am going for 9:16 aspect ratio, and that's it. You are going to do this only, and let's just click on agent run, and now you can see agent has imported this pixel here, and it is going to start the process here. It takes around like 20 to 30 seconds to get all the stuff from the internet, get all the knowledge files and all that stuff. It also uses the skills here. So if I click on skill here, you can see it uses lots of skills here. So okay, I enabled this skill by mistake. I don't want to do this. So you can see here, it's loading the AI add skill here and brand ad skill. So it is going to take as per your requirement, as per your prompt, what you have typed here. And I have typed here premium advertisement, so it is going for the ad skill. But again, if you are going for 3D animation, movie style, you can do that as well. If you are going for, let's say, what do we say, motion graphics, you can do that as well. I'm going to soon create a video on motion graphics as well using the H3, because H3 model is really good for motion graphics. I'm going to teach you that as well in the future videos. So you can see I'm checking the uploaded phone image, so the concept stay grounded in the actual product, and you can see the whole process here. Once this is done, you will get the idea here. So you can see this is the idea: silent position, the object of desire, burn, built-in light, and no excess. So you can select any of the idea that you want by reading the description. So let's just go for this big idea: phone treated like a crafted object, revealed through pure light and exact motion. I am liking this thing here. So let's just go for the this one only, silent position. Okay, it's like an Apple iPhone advertisement, so we are going for that only. And let's just make sure, before doing anything, make sure that you are on a ask. So it will ask you before generating the images, which is a really good thing. Always do this if you want to save credits, because by default it will take 2K or 4K, or let's say if you are not selecting the ask, it will generate the model that it wants. But I want to take the process in my hand, so let's just do the ask here, and let's just do the silent position here. And you can see we have selected the silent position. Let's just wait for this to complete. It will take around like 30 to 50 seconds it to compute, because it goes back and forth with all the skills that it has, and it crafts a perfect 15-second video prompt. So let's just wait for it. So you can see here it has selected for us. So the benefit of agent is that you can use the agent from start to finish. Yes, it consumes credits here as well, so let me show you that as well. So if I click here on the credits, you can see it used around like 6, 7, 12, 13 credits, but it's not that much. So you can see, if you want, I can do either of this next: turn silent position into 15-second storyboard, or write the final video prompt. So we are going to make sure that we are going for a storyboard planning first, and then we are going to use the image to video process. So let's just do this. Again, you can see this has completed, and it has changed the language here. So you can tell here only, give me in English only. Okay, and it will make sure that you get the text in English. So if you are facing this issue here, you can write here, give me in English only, and you can now see here you are getting it in English. And now you can just do here a final video prompt or a voiceover plus on screen. So what I want a final video prompt with voice over and no on screen text. Okay, and let's just run here. So what it will do, it will give us a final video prompt with voiceover, but it will not give us a screen text. So if it gives, you can specifically specify in the prompt that don't give on screen text here. And let's just wait again for like a few minutes or few seconds, and it will just get ready. So you can see here we have got a short 1, short 2, short 3, and then we have got the short 4. So we are now into short 5, so it's like a 15-second proper ad. And you can see this is the voice over script here. This is precision, quietly powerful, crafted to feel effortless in every detail, the Pixel 11 Pro. So this looks nice, and if you want I can also turn this into a cleaner generation ready version with tighter prompt formatting, but I'm liking this. So let's just create a video. Let's just start the process of final video, and let's just press enter. So what it will do now, once you have finalized all the things from storyboard to the video, now it is going to start the video generation. So it will take like again 10 to 20 seconds. It will draft the prompt and it will ask you to start the result. Again, you can change the model here. If you want, you can select another video model as well. So you can see here it has written from voiceover and the reference images that I have provided. And you can see it's using the MiniMax H3 model, Omni reference 15 second, 9:16 and 2K. And here is the prompt that it has created. So we have already approved this. So let's just click on confirm. And now it has started generating the video here. Once the video is generated, I will be back and I will show you how actually the video looks, and then you can do other processes as well. So let's say if you want to promote this on social media, you can just write give me now some 10 to 15 social media posts to promote it on Instagram and Facebook, or run it as a Facebook ad. I have already done that. Let me show you here as well. So if I go here, you can see I have done this process here. So I have generated images, which you can see here. You can see this is the first image here, and this is the second image. I really like this. It's using ChatGPT image 2 model here. Then again there is this third image, the fourth image you can see here as well. And from this images, this was the mood board, this was the shots that I got. So it grabbed the mood board color theme and the fonts and all that stuff, and it created this. And then from this I created this video here. So let me just show you that as well. So now the video is done, and the next process is of background music. So you can see here it has given us two options: keep the current voiceover and natural ambience with no extra BGM, add a separate instrumental track which will take extra time for music generation and final mixing. So again, if you want to have that as well, you can just click on this and it will have a separate generation of the background music. And again, it depends on to you guys if you want to do it. If you want just a voiceover and you are going to do it in the editing app, you can do that as well. But let's just watch this video here.
This is precision, quietly powerful, crafted to feel effortless in every detail. The Pixel 11 Pro.
So you can see this is looking really good. And you can see here now it is also going to generate background music as well. So you can see this minimal music. Again, you can change the model as well. Let's just click on confirm, and now it is creating a music for us, and it is going to integrate it in the video as well. So let's just wait for this to complete, and this is not going to take that much long for that the video has taken. Now it takes around like 5 to 6 minutes for a MiniMax H3 model video to get done. You can see here the music is halfway completed. So once this is done, I will be back, and then the editing can also be done in the app only. the Windows or Mac app, whichever you are using. Now you can see the music is also generated, and you can just use it, download it. So let's just hear this out, how it is looking. Now the agent is going to pull the exact file path, so it will combine the music under the generated video cleanly, so you can see it's getting the canvas content. So again, the editing job is also done by agent itself. You don't need to do anything here. You can say it's now mixing the background music as well with the current voiceover and replacing the temp video with the final version. So the editing and all the stuff is done and taken care by agent now. So I am telling you guys, again, just try this out because you get free 3000 credits. Again, I will link it in the description. Down in the description, just click on the link and just create your account and just explore it out. So you will get the exact idea how this agent works, and you can also use it for your freelancing or AI agency as well. So you can see this is now done and the process is completed. Let's just click on this and let's just see it here, final video.
This is precision. This is precision. Quietly powerful. Crafted to feel effortless in every detail. The Pixel 11 Pro.
So you can see the music is there, but if you want to increase the volume, again, you can tell that as well, that just increase the volume for me and it will do that as well. Okay guys, so before going, I also gave the agent to create some realistic 3D render for product visualization, as well as I also told the agent to generate some UGC and lifestyle images with the phone of the people. So you can see this output here. So again, you can see I haven't done anything here. I have just typed here. Now let's create 5 social media posts for the phone. And then I told let's do 3 lifestyle versions as well, where people uses this phone along with 2 UGC. So total 5 images. And you can see here as well. This is the first image. This is the second one. So you can see it's like a proper product visualization, 3D product visualization that you see. So without any what we say, without any efforts, you get this AI designs, because AI writes the prompt for you guys and you don't need to worry about that as well. You can see this is looking really beautiful and we are getting some really good depth of field as well. And if I go here, you can see this is the lifestyle photography as well. You can see this is the UGC as well. So you can see this UGC is looking really good. So you can also upload a reference here and tell how you want your image to look like, or let's say if you are inspired by some images, you can feed it here for the art style and visual style as well. And again, back to the present time. So I hope you guys enjoy this video about MiniMax Design. Again, right now they are giving 3000 free credits, so just download the app according to your Windows or Mac system, register your account and get started, play with it, see how it helps you in the daily AI creation or AI agency business as well, or freelancing business. Once you get some really good result, start creating a portfolio, get the starter plan, because starter plan is really cheap. So you can check that out as well. And once you are ready, just start posting on Instagram, and if possible tag me on the Instagram as well. I will leave the Instagram link down in the description. Follow me on Instagram as well. I create daily content for you guys on the Instagram, which I cannot post on YouTube. So do check that out as well and follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have learned something new, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and do let me know in the comments what are your thoughts on this MiniMax design. And I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye guys. Take care.